In today's video, I'll show you on how you can import and edit step files, IGES, Parasolid, STL in Onshape. So first things first, you want to head over to your dashboard, and from here you want to click on create. Click on import files, and then you want to look for the file that you want to import. In this tutorial, I'm going to be using an IGES file. Double click on it, click on the import button, and it will show up on the notification right here. Now I've already imported one of my projects, so after creating or after waiting for this to finish, it will look something like this, where you just have to click on the created link button. Wait for the work plane or workspace to finish loading, and basically that's it. You could do your usual work stuff. For example, I'm going to move the face right here, and then we can edit this the way we want to. Click on the check button, and from there we can simply edit the imported file. Of course, you have other functionalities like modify fillet, delete face, and more. You can just customize your shape the way you want to. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.